What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kay here, and today I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a hair routine on my Nadula hair, which all details will be linked in the bio. I have 3 bundles of 26-inch natural wave, 20-inch frontal. Y'all know I love my inches, so I'm not gonna even make the intro long. I'm gonna get straight into my hair routine. This is what I have been doing every day while I had this hair in. Very simple, only using 2 products. They're not costly at all. The only thing that I've been using is like a wide tooth comb, some water, and the leave-in conditioner. Just to kind of explain the conditioner and why I don't use mousse anymore. I don't use mousse throughout my hair anymore to define it, because I have been experiencing like a lot of buildup of product while doing that. Because if you use like mousse every day, it eventually builds up and it gets very stiff. So I don't use mousse throughout my whole head anymore, but I do use it at the top. But I'm not gonna use it at the top because I've been using it like for a few days, and it honestly doesn't even need to be laid anymore, because I don't want to have a lot of buildup at the top of my head, because it's not going to be cute. So that's the reason why I don't use that anymore throughout my whole head. I still use mousse, just not throughout the whole hair. Like, it's not even necessary, especially with this. Like, watch, you guys will see what I mean, why I don't use it anymore. So let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just spray my hair with this little water bottle that I got. I got a small one because I've been traveling a lot, and so I don't want to take the huge one. It's unnecessary. So I'm just spraying my hair with my little water bottle, with the little spray bottle. And y'all, like, honestly, this is the easiest hair tutorial ever. And I'm doing a video like this because I see that a lot of people don't shop the natural wave from Nadula, and I honestly think people should. I don't know, a lot of people like deep wave, but honestly and truly, my favorite my favorite texture is natural wave, because sometimes deep wave just gets to being too much. I don't know, it's just a lot going on with deep wave, and then you have to continuously detangle it. You have to tie your hair up a certain way. Like, say you're the type of person that likes sew-ins. Me, I don't like sew-ins, so I don't get them. So lucky for me, I can just take my wig off at night and be fine. But y'all, I'm not gonna drench my hair. It kind of looks like it's super wet, but it's damp, but it's not drenched. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so now that I'm done spraying my hair, I'm just gonna detangle it, starting from the ends and work my way up. It makes it a little bit easier to do so. I'm done with that. So now the product that I use, and then this is the leave-in conditioner, and I didn't even know they had a leave-in conditioner. I definitely just thought they had the regular conditioner and the shampoo. So this is definitely a win. You guys need to go cop. I use the maple because it smells so good, y'all, so good. So basically, I just take the leave-in conditioner, if I can get some out. I just take the leave-in conditioner and just distribute it throughout my whole head, especially more towards the ends, because it softens it up, especially up underneath here. That's probably like where I have more like trouble areas, is like kind of near the nape of my neck. I don't know, it's always like, it's like that with texture hair. I don't know why it gets tangled up under there so bad. But I just put this throughout the hair. I don't use a lot, because y'all, don't use a lot of this on your hair. It's not that type of product. So I use this, and it defines really well. It defines the waves, and I like it because I do like that like kind of wet look. especially on wavy hair, y'all. It's like kind of reminds me of like beach waves. So cute, especially it's been so hot too. So y'all, like, that's the vibe I've been feeling. You feel me? I want the beach waves. Yeah. So I'm just gonna spread this throughout my whole head. Okay, you guys, so once I do that, I usually just let my hair air dry, and it's not gonna dry big, but it will dry a little bit, and it will crunch up a little bit more. But overall, y'all, like, this is the look I always go for. This is honestly my favorite texture by Nadula, but I'm not gonna get too much into that because I'm gonna have a whole nother video about this hair, so make sure you guys go check it out. Well, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna drop before this one, so you probably seen it already, but if you haven't, be sure to go on my channel, check it out, and then, you know, come back, show some love, you know. But you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Go check out Nadula hair, best hair, latest hair of all hair on Aliexpress. Not even kidding.